Welcome to 49cc Scoop. This video will give you a quick before and after look at a 139 QMB, also called a GY650, 4-stroke scooter before and after a 72cc big bore kit and camshaft is installed. Here's the Scoot in stock form with me in normal riding position. Cruising speeds ranged from 30 to 35 miles per hour indicated at wide open throttle. Acceleration is pretty bad. Two back-to-back runs averaged 28 seconds from 0 to 30 miles per hour. Here's the same scooter after the big bore kit and cam was installed. Wide open throttle cruising in normal riding position is now 40 to 45 miles per hour for me. Now acceleration is nothing to write home about, but it averaged 12.5 seconds to 30 miles per hour, less than half of the time it took before. I also checked the time to 40 miles per hour and that was 25 seconds, so it makes it to 40 quicker than it could hit 30 before. This was a scooter that I worked on for someone else. I haven't worked on anyone else's scooter for years, but the owner asked me and I decided to do this one job. He wanted me to stick to the low end of an estimate, so I never touched the CVT after seeing how it worked. I did put a tack on it just to check RPM and speed. It looked like about 9,500 RPM at 45 miles per hour. A little more than I'd like to see, but acceleration RPM was lower than I'd expect to be ideal for peak performance. There's no option for a variator in the budget or much time tuning, so I left it alone as a good compromise. Here are the full details of what was done. The stock exhaust and airbox were retained and the pair system was untouched, so it's quiet and looks like it's still stock.